Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I have the privilege of showing you this brand new Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Black with the silver accent there, beautiful looking boat. It's got the joystick here, thruster in the back, and there's also one in the front, powered by a V10 400 horsepower Mercury Verado. Really deep ladder, easy to hop on even out of the water. Very strong ski tow bar. This is the single lounger dual helm layout. This will go one notch up here, so you've got it as a nice backrest if you want to lounge in the sun, or it will lay all the way down. That way you can take a nap if you wish. Dual captain's chairs. Sound system is JL Audio. This thing will rock. There's the tower speakers. Helm is very comfortable. Here's your joystick operation. You push this button, your thrusters will engage and allow you to move the boat completely sideways. Dual SIMRAD screens. This boat just came in from the factory. Haven't even pulled off the cardboard paper just yet. Big ski tow locker. Great seating on both sides. Lots of cup holders. If you guys have any questions on this boat or would like to see it in person, my direct line is 573-606-3029. Make sure to ask for Jansen. Thank you and have a great day.